Here are a few different types of carbs that I use on my bikes, and you can use them too. Usually what I use on a stroker is a 28 millimeter. That is a Mikuni full race 28 millimeter. This here is a KN full race carb, but this has what's called this item right here is a Mikuni power shot valve, which takes fuel from the bottom of the bowl, takes it up to the top here, runs it through another jet, and gives you more gasoline. Whether it works and gives you a lot more power, and it's still out. I mean, I haven't fine-tuned it for that. But right now what we're going to do is, you can see the size difference between the 28 KN and the 33. If we put this on its side right here, and we take the other one, you can see if you put the spigots together how much bigger the 33 is. The theory is the bigger the carburetor, the more the power. But that is that's the fun part about doing this, is to see if we can get some more power out of it. This intake that I just got in, this is for the big Honda engine. I may have to, oh, I guess not. Let's see if we can unbox this. It's the first time I've done this. Here is the intake. That is a big bitch. Look at that. Thing's huge. That's either Japanese, Chinese, or Canadian. Yeah, it looks Canadian. I don't know what the hell it says. But you can see the reeds on the bottom here. The intake is right here. It comes with 2 spigots. Okay? This spigot right here, if I can get it out, let's put this over here. This spigot right here fits onto the intake of a 33 millimeter carb. Okay? Now if we try and take the same one and put it on a 28, you can see it doesn't fit at all. Now we come over here, and this is the other intake. It's called a rubber spigot. And this one will fit right on the 28. So we have a 28 and a 33. What we're going to do is we're going to explore the difference in how this intake right here is different from our stock intake and our CT intake and our black intakes, which these are commonly used on the Dio for a bigger carburetor.